Hi, I'm Andy Abbott, and I'm the first person to finish the Stockton Taco Trail, and we're here to talk about it. I tried about 40 new spots on the Stockton Taco Trail, a lot of them in places in town that I hadn't really been in the last 24 years or so. Actually, that's why we're here. When I went to order, the woman behind the counter listed off all the carnes, and she got the tripas, and I must have made a face. And she looks at me and says, "What? Good, it's crunchy, it's fried." And I thought, all right, today is the day I tried tripas. And as soon as I tried it, I was angry with myself because I realized this is good. Oh my God. I've been looking at it saying, ooh. I learned that, it's everywhere and it costs more. It's probably not bad, dummy. So I basically learned, try the tripas, try something new, expand your horizons. If you want to do it slow, you've got till the end of December. Pick one or two places, get a bunch of stuff off the menu, go out and try it. But if you want to do it quickly, there's a map, make a plan, figure out if you can hit 3, 4, 5 spots during your lunch break. I did it in just under 3 weeks. So get out there, good luck on the taco trail, try the tripas or at least try something new and enjoy yourself. Get out and eat in Stockton.